All right, everyone. Quick update to the forecast. Looks like the Storm Prediction Center has went ahead and put us under a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms. Bear with me, trying to get the radar up in the background, and we'll have a look at the Doppler radar out across the area. And let's go ahead and switch over to Doppler radar right quick. We'll take a look at that outside. Looking like we've got just some showers out there overall across the area. Nothing severe yet, but we do expect some severe weather to move in possibly later on. We got some pretty decent batch of rainfall down here to the south. All that's moving on off to kind of the east, so we might get some rain out of this. Again, not a very high risk whatsoever of severe weather as of yesterday. Same with yesterday, not really much of a severe threat. But let's take a look at the forecast outlook. Looking like there's a 60 to 70% chance of some rain and storms today. Highs around 76, low 59 for your Wednesday. A 20% chance. Looks like we're going to be clouds and sunshine kind of a deal, but only a 20% chance of a shower or a storm. High 81, low 60. And for Thursday, looks like a sun, clouds out there. Highs 84, low 68. And for Friday, a 20 to 40% chance of showers and storms. That will be overnight. Highs 85, low 68. So let's take a look at the high resolution models. Looking like that we'll have a chance of some severe storms to move in anywhere between 1 o'clock and 8 o'clock tonight. Damaging winds, hail, all that good stuff looks to be possible out of it. And let's go ahead and take a look at that graphic from the Storm Prediction Center, some of the newest outlooks. They have most of North Alabama, excluding the far northeastern tip, under a marginal risk level 1. Primary threats, again, will be hail and damaging winds. That does extend on into DeKalb County and Marshall County, but it kind of leaves out the northeast portion, which will be around Jackson County. There's a low tornado threat, mainly to the west, around Birmingham to the northwest. Looks like the best tornado threat will be, west of I-65 there. Again, from Birmingham to the northwest. Primary threats again today with these storms will be the large hail and damaging wind threat. So we will have to watch that in our area, the large hail and damaging wind threat, maybe 1 inch of diameter hail, some 60-mile-per-hour winds possible. Tornado threat further to the west. So that being said, going to get ready to wrap it up here in just a moment. Want to look at the high-res models again. And it's showing this stuff getting into our area. It looks like around approximately, looks like 2 p.m. is what it's want to say, 1 p.m. to 2 o'clock. So we'll keep an eye on this stuff. Timing a little bit uncertain at this time, but I'm going to say anywhere from 1 o'clock further on to 8 o'clock is the outlook time that we need to be aware of. So that being said, stay weather aware. God bless. Y'all have a great day. And if you haven't went and checked out the new L&C store at Geraldine, it just opened up. You need to go check it out. I'm going to check it out today. So thanks so much, everybody. God bless, and we'll see you on the next update. Take care.